Ang Pinoy ang lasa sa bawat pagkain. Jersey milk ang kasama.
Hi mga ka-Jersey! Today we're going to make matcha strawberry smoothie. Cafe style using Jersey whole cream milk. You wanna know a secret to smooth matcha? Jersey whole cream milk. Less bitter, more creamy. We need 60 grams. 2 grams of matcha powder, but if you want it strong, add that 2.5. And we're going to pour our Jersey whole cream milk hot into the matcha and whisk it until dissolved. The color of the matcha will depend on the quality of your matcha powder. So, meron yung talagang darker color. I think those are what they call high grade. I've added 80 grams of fresh strawberries. So, it's your call. If you have frozen, it's okay. And we're going to add 60 grams to 80 grams of strawberry yogurt. 7 grams of honey. So, you can use or you can add 10 grams. Kung medyo sour yung strawberry natin, pwede kayong mag-add ng 10 grams. But for the trend natin, hanggang 7 na tayo. 1 piece banana, just to complement the strawberry flavor. And we're going to add 75 grams of ice cream. Fresh strawberries. So, wash natin for that added flavors. This is our matcha strawberry smoothie using Jersey whole cream milk. Try mo na!
Sa